The crypto world is as rapid as it is exciting. But do you want to know another rapid thing that's happening? The unfortunate demise of Crypto.com. In February 2022, Crypto.org had been rebranded to Cronos, CRO, which is why you'll have to excuse me as I will be using the name Cronos instead of Crypto.com in this video. Okay, moving forward, CRO, the market's 15th largest coin, gained traction in mid-November when its price began achieving very high highs on the chart. The coin's hyped-up marketing effort occurred around the same time. Crypto.com has announced back-to-back collaborations with a number of football clubs in recent months, ranging from UFC to PSG. It also dribbled its way onto the basketball court by gaining the naming rights to the Staples Center, home of the Los Angeles Lakers, for $700 million. Due to the increased demand, Coinbase chose to offer this coin on its exchange amid all the aforementioned excitement and hoopla. In effect, all of these factors conspired to cause CRO's 250% gain in November. But like all else, the higher they rise, the more painful they fall. I'm guessing one of the reasons you've decided to click on this video is because you've heard that at this moment, most of the buzz surrounding Crypto.com and its native CRO coin appears to be waning. The user-based dynamics were finally disrupted by the lack of trending credentials. In November, the active addresses landscape was rather strident and loud. However, it has recently reduced dramatically, meaning that a significant number of people have just left the ecosystem. Crypto.com's network growth has also suffered as a result of this. The side sell pressure linked with CRO was also seen as becoming more imminent at the time of this research, which was December 9, 2021. Over the last hour, over 300 million more tokens were sold than bought, according to ITB's order book statistics. And trust me, in the crypto world, that doesn't sound too good. The worsening status of the network, combined with dwindling activity and selling bias, point to one thing: the coin's future is dubious. If the indicators do not improve, it'll be tough for CRO to reach its preset highs. At the time of this investigation, the coin's price chart showed an unusual trajectory. The candlesticks of CRO's chart were, to a large extent, following the Burj Khalifa pattern, looking literally like the tall tower itself. Ironically, CRO was on track till the 6th of December. Everything was set in stone, until it wasn't. It was observed, in reality, methodically justifying and protecting the pattern's scarceness. However, the coin has refrained from dipping in the past few days, leaving the pattern incomplete. Lately, the 61.8% Fibonacci level has performed as powerful support, preventing the coin from making further lows. CRO was witnessed trading over the aforementioned barrier even at press time. In an interview with Bloomberg TV on January 19, 2022, Crypto.com CEO Chris Marszalek stated that roughly 400 customer accounts had been hacked in a hack. His confirmation of the incident came after many Crypto.com consumers claimed their monies had been taken, despite the company's cryptic comments up until now. While Marszalek did not say how the attack happened, he did tell Bloomberg TV that the exchange was back online approximately 13 to 14 hours after the event, and that all damaged accounts had been paid. Marszalek's remark is Crypto.com's first official acknowledgement that a hack took place. After a small number of users are reporting suspicious activity on their accounts, Crypto.com suspended withdrawals on its platform on Sunday and requested clients to reset their two-factor authentication out of an excess of caution. When asked about the size of the losses, Marszalek told Bloomberg TV that Crypto.com was still working on a post-mortem of the incident, which would be posted on the company's blog in the next couple of days. While Crypto.com is the world's fourth largest crypto exchange, it has been aggressively pushed into US markets in recent months, with stunts like viral advertisements starring actor Matt Damon and a $700 million purchase of the naming rights to the Los Angeles Stadium. It bills itself as the fastest growing crypto exchange and has increased its venture capital arm to $500 million to support early-stage crypto firms. Nevertheless, the consequences from the attack could stymie some of its growth in the United States. With a commercial broadcast during the Oscars on Sunday, March 28, 2022, Crypto.com attempted to garner social currency by displaying a more philanthropic bent in the light of the war in Ukraine. However, this operation mimicked a recent Facebook fraud in which the culprits pretended to be the platform and requested phony funds for the conflict. The campaign undertaken by the cryptocurrency trading site was similar to those run by cynical Facebook scammers. They set up a phony Crypto.com NFT website to collect donations from social media users, which only served to enrich crooks. The first page appeared last week, piggybacking on the firm's name to establish credibility, with a Facebook ad earning 1,000 likes before being taken down. At the time, Crypto.com told the fact-checking website Snopes that the campaign was unrelated to them and that the wallet address provided was not one of theirs. Regardless of the terrible link, the brand capitalized on the Ukraine crisis for some beneficial publicity. The campaign, which is billed as a response to a rash of bad taste promotional initiatives for cryptocurrencies, such as a 24-karat gold block in New York's Central Park to promote Castillo Coin, aims to show that digital currencies can be used for good rather than merely greed. The Essentials, Humanitarian Aid for Ukraine, illustrates the wide range of supplies needed to help the Red Cross and the Red Crescent's efforts to deliver medications, food, and shelter to those displaced by Russia's invasion. Crypto.com has announced that it will double all donations made to Crypto.com/donate to aid with the relief of the humanitarian tragedy. Some have questioned why a cryptocurrency should become involved in this fashion, pointing out that exchange rates will diminish the value of any gifts, feeding suspicions that the endeavor is really a cynical publicity ploy. Crypto.com has announced a collaboration with the FIFA World Cup in Qatar this year, as the cryptocurrency craze uses its newfound wealth to appeal to sports lovers, as evidenced by the cryptomania that swept the Super Bowl 56. Cronos, CROUSD, is currently down over 17% as of May 2, 2022. Crypto.com's decision to have Cronos' user payouts, announced yesterday, sparked today's decline in the Cronos crypto. Cardholders with an active 6-month stake who staked before 1 May 2022, 13 o'clock UTC, will continue to earn CRO card rewards on spending at the current rate until their 180-day stake expires, according to Crypto.com. The revised tariffs will apply after that. Additionally, from June 1st, CRO staking benefits will no longer be offered to holders of certain stakes, according to Crypto.com. Most tiers staking rewards will be withdrawn on June 1st, or at the conclusion of 6-month staking periods. Although Cronos owners will continue to earn 100% compensation for payouts to specific subscription services, such as Netflix and Spotify. Cronos owners will also be paid for their Amazon Prime membership payments. Cronos' price has dropped roughly 40% in the previous month, according to Crypto.com, and the modifications announced yesterday will guarantee the long-term sustainability of Cronos. It has dropped by nearly 50% so far this year. The price of Crypto.com's native token, Cronos, plunged almost 10% in 24 hours to a 6-month low of 27 cents on May 3, 2022, bringing May gray to Crypto.com and its users. The 22nd largest cryptocurrency by market cap, has lost over 31% of its value in just 1 week, according to CoinMarketCap.com. The drop came just 1 day after Crypto.com informed its over 10 million users in 40 countries that it will be phasing down staking incentives for its Crypto.com Visa cards and capping CRO rewards, similar to cashback rewards, at lower rates of $25 or $50, depending on the card. Crypto.com teamed with the Ultimate Fighting Championship, UFC, last month to award bonuses in Bitcoin to the top 3 competitors at every UFC pay-per-view event, notwithstanding the recent market drop. Cronos was renamed to Crypto.com Coin, or CRO, by Crypto.com earlier this year. In a Medium article, the business explained that CRO's branding represents the decentralization of the coin and incredible growth of the Cronos ecosystem. Keep in mind that this isn't financial advice, and investors should only invest what they can afford to lose and conduct their own research. This announcement by Crypto.com is not encouraged, particularly given the current market conditions. The broader crypto market is currently underperforming. Inflation has continued to increase, as have interest rates, as the Federal Reserve attempts to keep consumer prices in check. Crypto.com appears to have gone overboard with their sports spending while decreasing user advantages, which does not inspire trust in potential crypto investors.